That is some good maple syrup. Oh, hey, I didn't notice you come in. Gosh, it has been way too long. But I gotta say, it is really good to see you. Greetings, my excellent friends. It's Josh Cripps here. Boy, oh boy, does it feel good to be back on YouTube. I can't tell you how excited I am to be here and how stoked I am to get back into this community. I got a ton of great stuff coming for you in the weeks and months ahead, but right now in this video, I wanted to talk really quickly about why I stopped making videos for a little while and what's in store for the future. So without getting into the super nitty-gritty details, let me just say that 2018 was a real doozy of a year for me. I was trying to do too much, I was taking on too many projects, and I was trying to control too much. So perhaps predictably, I got super overwhelmed and burned out. I started having anxiety attacks for the first time ever, and this really affected both my business and my personal life. So I had to take a step back. I hit that big old pause button. I took a really deep breath, and I basically stopped everything, and I started looking around and asking myself, what do I really need to run my business and run my life in a way that's healthy for me? I spent 2019 building a foundation to do just that. I got really into mental and physical well-being. I spent a ton of time on personal projects, personal development, personal travel. I completely retooled the way that I do all of my online courses and my photo tours, and I did all of this so that when I got back to YouTube, which was always my intention, I could do it right. So what do we got to look forward to? There is so much good stuff. And first of all, there's gonna be the same kinds of great educational landscape photography videos that the channel was built on. But that's really just the tip of the iceberg. I'm also gonna be sharing a lot more of my personal photography experiences with you. So we're talking about vlogs and travel adventures and behind the scenes stories and stuff like that. In addition, I'm gonna be talking with some of today's most influential photographers and bringing you the stories behind their most meaningful images so that we can discuss the issues that affect all of us in the photography community. On top of that, I'm also going to be sharing a lot more about the business of landscape photography and how I make it work as a full-time landscape photographer. But I'm also going to be helping you if you want to start a photography career, or if you already have a career and you want to make it better. There's going to be a ton of videos for that. And I'm also going to be talking with successful landscape photographers to share their best bits of wisdom and best practices from running their own businesses. And there are going to be a few surprises thrown in as well, but you're just going to have to wait and see what those are. And there you have it, you guys. That's it. The channel is back, and it's going to be better than ever, sharing with you a much more complete picture of the world of landscape photography. I am super stoked about this, and I hope you are as well. I'm gonna be kicking things off tomorrow with a video looking back into the stories of some of my best images from the past decade of shooting. So stay tuned, and I'll see you real soon.